If you have a little gold foil, you can absolutely add it on. How could that happen? Did you touch that?
What happened?
It's scratch hole inside the pieces of it. So, okay. I think he'll mess it up, but it's not a big deal. But just in case if the client's doing it that because they were touching it, they was like, oh no, I didn't do anything. You know, so you kind of get a little bit idea. But if it does that, that's okay. You can add some of your flaky foil in there. I think he scratched hole inside my designs.
I think it's my thumb here.
We're gonna fire. You get fired. No one's gonna take you with. We're not taking you to the live videos anymore. That's
So I can stay home and sleep?
Oh, you said though now I can stay home and sleep. Not an option. All right, they are so flat, so then you don't have to worry about feeling any texture at all. Stay really nice and flat, right there. Okay, so I am going to use some of our cute butterflies. So you want to see this one? Can you close that one, please? It's Eric's laugh. All right, so tell me, I'm gonna go through this and tell me what you want to see. This one. Next one. Hi, artist. Let it 3D. Oh, the 3D flowers will be available tomorrow. If you are watching on Facebook still, we are having it launched out tomorrow with the 3D flowers. Maybe I should selecting which one. Maybe I'll do that one. I like that one. Also, I like the brighter one. I have an idea is that Christmas now this year I'm gonna do like a pink Christmas design for all of you, if you like it. I really want to do one set like this for us. Let me know if you want to see it this week. So I'm having that one design for us this week. All right, let's see. My tweezer. The purple butterflies. We want to do something. We want to do something is like in the theme. All right, so hold on. That was be cool. I didn't want to get whole and tie the butterflies to covers everything. So here is this butterfly right there. I'm going to using this one. Maybe. Really good. And then hey Nelix, hey, how are you? Purple, how are you? Thank you so much everyone for tuning in. Okay, so I'm going to our fall butterflies collections right here. They're so stunning. You gotta see in person to see how easy this one work with. I'm impressed. They're so really like, hold on, getting something purple and kind of an orange one. All right. Look what I found. Super cute heart. From that butterfly section. Great. I'm gonna put the condensed glue gels Hold on 1 second. And then we're gonna encapsulate it, and maybe we'll get some crystal on it. And I love the pumpkin spice all the way for fall. That is just so making so much difference for the look. So here's the 2 nails, the first and the second nails. I promise it take you like 5 minutes to do this. I trust you all, and I know you all so good. It's just like we're using a fusion ink underneath, and doesn't have to be perfect fusion ink. You do 2 colors of whatever you like, or even 1 colors, and then transfer foil gels, and you apply that the steps that I'm just sharing with you. Number 50, transfer foil. I think a pretty flowers or whatever, and here you go. We're using condensed glue gel and the no wipe top coat to seal that one. Sorry, did I move it too much? Sorry. Just a thin coat. And then the no wipe top. You want to see some crystal on this one? You know what? This set, it looks even good with the matte top coat. Hello, 88. Hey, Forest Mara, how are you? And now we're gonna add some crystal on it. Too big. And now we're gonna key this one.